equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure your Surface Pro 7 is powered off. Gather your tools, a small Phillips screwdriver and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws carefully. Keep them in a safe place. Once the cover is off, inspect the internal components for any visible damage. Look for loose connections or debris that may affect the screen. Use the cloth to gently clean any dust inside. If you notice any issues, it's time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just a simple process. If repairs are needed, we'll provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. After your inspection, reassemble the device by replacing the back cover and screws. Power it on and check if the screen functions properly. If not, reach out for assistance. Your Surface Pro 7 deserves the best care. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.